Hey, Pete Hendricks with Hendricks Classics here. Today I want to both introduce and demonstrate how to use a product which, as far as I know, is the first of its kind in the classic and wet shaving community. And that is having the scent be purchased separately from the soap. And as you'll see in the video, there's some advantages here. I imagine most people have purchased a soap where you weren't crazy about the scent, but you still had that whole tub of soap to go through. So with this model, you buy a tub of unscented soap, and then you buy the scents separately, and you're able to use whatever scent you feel like for the day. So let's say that here, as you can see, I have some soap in this bowl. I'm in a Havana breeze kind of mood today, so I will unscrew the dropper, put a drop in there. Now on these, I figured out how many drops I like. I always recommend that people start with one drop and increase so that they don't get burned by the scent oil. And so with Havana Breeze, I'd probably go with 4 for me. And here's another thing: you control how strong the scent is. And then I just build the lather in this bowl and go to town. Or if you're face lathering, you know, once the brush is lathered, or loaded rather, same thing. We're going to start with a drop, and you can put another drop as you're lathering, or as you learn how much you like for that particular scent, you can add it there. And then great thing here is just whatever you're in a mood for. So you have finished shaving and you like aftershave splash. So this is just a dropper bottle with very inexpensive white rum. So you would have a dropper bottle, stop by the package store on the way home and pick up a half pint of inexpensive white rum. And one thing I do recommend when you are going to be handling more than one thing, I like to keep the scent bottle up against something so that it doesn't tip over. We are in the process of putting together a rack to hold them, and so that will prevent any issue there. But okay, so ready for some aftershave splash. I put a dropper. I like a lot of aftershave splash, so I'm going to put a little bit more. And on the Havana Breeze, I usually like about 4 drops. Rub it in my hands and apply to my face. And that's how I would do that. So, says you don't do aftershave splash. What you like is aftershave balm. So it's going to be the exact same thing here. Get balm in the palm of your hand. Put a few drops. Rub your hands and apply the balm. So if you'd like to check us out, we're at hendricksclassics.com, and I thank you for watching the video. Have a great shave. Bye now.